Yo, YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. It's been a while since I last uploaded here on my watch channel. But today, before I fly off to the US because I have a trip, I will be unboxing 3 special edition watches featuring the Batman. So this is the Batman watch, the Batman Vengeance watch, and the Batman Gotham watch. It's a collaboration with police. So if you are a Batman fan, this is the vlog for you. Let's go! Let's get started. This is the Batman watch, again in collaboration with police. This is actually limited to just 2,000 pieces in the world. So as you can see over here, it says this unique card guarantees or certifies that the Batman watch is numbered 225 out of 2,000. And then you have the Batman symbol. It has this really nice looking box over here. Very Batman-esque. Looks like carbon fiber. And then you press this button to be able to open it. And then bam, this is it. This is the Batman watch in collaboration with police. Again, there are 2 more watches that I'll talk about in a bit, but let's take a closer look at this watch. As you guys can see, this watch, the Batman, has a 2-case construction. That makes it super unique because you rarely get to see stuff like this out in the market. Well, at least I rarely see stuff like this out in the market. The dual case is something that's inspired by the dual identity of Batman and, of course, Bruce Wayne. Each case can be set to a separate time zone. So if you are, a jet setter, if you like to travel a lot, you can cover or see multiple time zones across the world. And it is a pretty big watch. I mean, just take a look at it. That is one humongous piece. Tingnan nyo na lang, oh. Woo! Wow, that is a big watch. Of course, you have the bat signal there at the lower part. Again, this is only limited to 2,000 pieces in the world. Let's go to the second watch. It comes in this black box. This should be, I'm not sure if this is the Gotham City version or if this is the Vengeance edition. So let's just take a closer look. It has a note over here. Says to the Batman. Of course, Batman showing, I guess it's already showing here in the Philippines. So if you guys haven't watched it yet, you might want to watch it soon. You have a manual over here. You have the warranty card or the guarantee card. This one, Vengeance. So this is the Vengeance edition. We have 1202 out of 4,000. So 4,000 pieces of this special collaboration watch made in the world. And we have one of them here today. So again, you have that really nice looking Batman case. And then we have the watch. So this one has a steel bracelet to go with it, unlike the first one that had mostly leather. So we now have 2 of the watches in hand. So this one, the Batman, the one with the 2 cases, is actually 50 millimeters case size. The Vengeance edition watch with the stainless steel bracelet is actually 49 millimeters. This one has 3 dials, so you can track 3 time zones. So if you're really an international jet setter kind of guy, like the Batman, then you might want to check this one out. You have the Batarang, I guess, over here, the Batman logo on the left side, the 2 dials, and then the main dial here at the 3 o'clock position. It's a fairly big watch. And then you have the police branding over here. And man, if you're a Batman fan, these watches, they actually look really cool. Now, the last watch is called the Batman Gotham City. So we have it over here. So let's pop it open. So it's not the super special box like we saw earlier, but it does still come with the guarantee or with the certification. This one is limited to 3,000 pieces. As you can see, the Batman Gotham City Edition. Let's pop it out of the box. This one has a rubber strap. And it is more of an easier to wear normal looking piece with the Batman logo on the dial. Now this is the smallest watch of the set. This one has a 44 millimeter case size for the diameter. And it just, it's an easy to wear watch with the Batman branding. You have the bat symbol up front, kind of like a cutout so you can see some sort of the internal part. It does have like a cover for the crown, as you can see over here. And yeah, it's a very simple, easy, nice looking Batman-esque watch. Gotham City Edition. So there you have it, the 3 Batman police watches. We have the Batman over here with the 2-case construction. We have the Batman Vengeance, really nice looking watch with the 3 dials. And we have the Batman Gotham City over here. Price range for the 3 ranges from 10,990 pesos to 22,090 pesos. That's roughly 200 to 400 US dollars. Let me know which of the 3 you guys like the most. Who knows, I might give one of them away to one of you guys who will comment. So again, just comment down below which of the three you guys are digging out the most. Now, who is this watch for? Obviously, if you are like a die-hard watch fan and the thing that's most important to you is the movement and all those things, this isn't the piece. But if you are a huge Batman fan and you just want to wear a limited edition Batman piece on your wrist to remind you of how awesome your hero is, then you might want to seriously consider this one, especially if you like the new movie coming up. If you guys want to buy one, make sure to check out Watch Republic shops at leading department stores nationwide. You can also check out their online shop, link of which can be found down below. Take note that the Batman watches come with an exciting offer. You get a free Batman tote and keychain from Feb 16 to March 31. I have the keychain somewhere here. Yeah, here's the keychain. Looks really nice. You have the Batman cowl. Yeah, cool. Nice, oh. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you again in a couple of days. I'll be flying to the US, so watch out for our US content for my watch channel and my main vlog coming soon. Link to my main channel can be found down below. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.